What's up guys, so the company OPPO has just announced its new OPPO Reno Ace smartphone, and here's the phone itself. This device is loaded with the latest and the greatest specs that makes it a true high-end device. So this is a special edition of the new Reno Ace, and it looks quite gorgeous. The phone comes with a water drop notch that is not favorable for many, but its specs on paper is just amazing. The phone comes with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with a small water drop notch, and the most important, the display has a 90Hz refresh rate. There's a Super AMOLED panel here, so the color looks that punchier and vibrant. The 90Hz screen makes it a super great phone, and considering its pricing, starting at around $400, I am really highly impressed with this phone. The phone is powered by a Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, which is the most powerful currently, and it also supports up to 8GB of RAM, and 256GB of UFS 3.0 storage. The device comes with a quad camera setup, including a main 48-megapixel IMX586 sensor, 13-megapixel telephoto, an 8-megapixel wide-angle, and a 2-megapixel monochrome lens. And it also supports OIS. In addition to that, the phone comes with a 4000 mAh of massive battery, and it supports swapping 65-watt charging, which takes only 25 minutes to fully charge the phone. As you can see from this video, the device is extremely fast in charging itself. So we are totally agree of the fact that there's no compromise in this phone, but a notch. And it is really worth mentioning that this phone also comes with a headphone jack. That is something which is really important for users like me, so great job by the company. Anyways, you will still have to satisfy with the color OS in this phone, which is now more optimized. So you are getting quite amazing features in this phone: a 90Hz screen, Snapdragon 855 Plus, 4000 mAh battery, fastest 65-watt charging, and a quad camera setup. The phone has a glass rear and a premium look. This is a special edition. The regular version will look something like this. So let me know, what are your overall opinions about this device in comments. Check the pricing details in description. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. And as always, keep watching and keep smiling.